Hey everybody, Ryan Huggins here. So this is Salesvision Mindset360 level number 5, and it's a review of Vincent Ortega Jr. And it's pretty cool because could you imagine waking up to getting paid multiple times while you were sleeping, $1,000, $3,000, $5,000 payments every day, not monthly but daily? It's pretty exciting to think about that in reality. So as an entrepreneur, you have to have the vision that no one else has. And this is a vision that is possible when you're working online. So you can get paid multiple times, $1,000, $3,000, $5,000 transactions online. It's just incredible. So you have to believe also what you're creating is beautiful, like a work of art. Basically what you're creating, what your team is going to be, what you are doing online is a beautiful thing, and you have to truly believe that. So in the video, Vince talks about when he had his child, how it was a paradigm shift. It was literally life-changing for him because he just started realizing that, acting like a young man and out there doing crazy things, you have to change into being a man, taking responsibility. And it's not necessarily that you have to have a child do that, but for success, you have to do that. You have to man up or woman up and really take responsibility for your life and have that paradigm shift of going forward as a real entrepreneur and a real business person. So it also helped him realize that, the relationship that he had with his family was pretty incredible because the relationship and the bond that you have with your own children, even if you are a mess up, you've had problems, your family is more than likely going to take you back in if you are trying to do things the right way, or they're going to support you in any which way. And also in the video, it talks about when he was younger, he was a star baseball player and everything was focused on his pitching, and even though he's playing a team sport, it was still about him, only him. And it was how fast was his fastball? 95 miles an hour. How many strikeouts did you get? How many walks was there? Because obviously the ultimate goal playing baseball is to get drafted and make it to the pros. So what was really neat is he didn't feel fulfilled in that because it was just him, only him. So when he got into internet marketing and he started helping other people, his whole entire world opened up. He felt so much better. He felt like he had a purpose, a drive, and determination that he had never had before, which was really great. But it also kind of brings me to a quote that I always remember from Zig Ziglar. I can't get it right 100% of the time, but he says, if you help enough other people get what they want, you can have whatever you want in life. And that's by Zig Ziglar, who is one of the best, sales coaches ever. And that really hits home, when it comes to that. So helping other people is so strong. And if you help enough people, it's kind of like paying it forward as far as that goes. So, and he also talks about working for yourself, because when you're doing this, you are going to have an opportunity to leave your 9-to-5 job. Eventually, you might want to keep it. Some people, I love my job. I love doing real estate investment. It's been a dream of mine. I'm going to keep doing that. But I also want to have this ability to leave that job if I ever wanted to, because it's freeing. It'll allow you to do what you want, when you want, with whomever you want. He also talks about like when he was an employee and he was working as an employee and they told him to go clean up the garbage, right? And there's the garbage dump, stuff falls over the side. He had to pick up all the garbage that had been piling up for months, years. Under it was maggots, everything. He had to pick all that up. And you do have to do things like that sometimes as an employee. You have to do things that you are told to do. You're not doing what you want to do. Obviously, if you were picking up trash for your own business, you would have some respect feeling. But when you're doing it for someone, you kind of resent it, right? So this will give you the opportunity to feel free. You're picking up, or you're building your own dream, not someone else's. And that's the other thing too. When you're working for someone, you are literally building their dream, and you are just leaving your dream off to the side. So now with an internet business, you can also earn while you sleep. You can literally wake up to payments in your inbox. And that's just incredible, right? You wake up and you found out you made a couple grand last night. How cool is that going to be? So anyway, it makes you think that working for minimum wage obviously is not worth it. And you don't have to do that anymore. you can find a better way, and we are providing a better way here at Salesvision. So make sure that you jump on board, click the link, join our team. We're definitely glad to have you on board, and we look forward to seeing you inside the group and also seeing you on our team. Talk to you soon. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities from multiple different sources and on a continuous basis. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities on a continuous basis from multiple different sources. Have a great day.